Mr. Schultz is...
Give it to me. You cannot do it. Now, watch me. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you cook when you come in rural Pakistan. Yeah, you go on the go. You see what you can get. Someplace you can light a fire, get a chicken, or probably steal a chicken, kill it, get some onions, just chop them well, put them in this called desi ghee. Light the fire, and try to fry your onions to a slight tinge of gold.
अच्छा हुकूमत तुम कोई भी चीज़ देनी है अपनी मदद आप देता है तुम ये सारा कुछ जो करते हो जबरदस्त ये तुसा लोगों की मेहनत की वजह तो आटा थोड़ा इस टाइम भी सस्ता हो जाए अगर तुसी लोग गंदम ना उगाओ तो इस मुल्क में थोड़ा बहुत दिक्कत आ जाए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया तुसा
No te quites ahora, que tú solo empiezas. Mueve la cabeza y sácale duro. Pasa que va locura, morena y a mi lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado. Quero ver mexer com duro. Pasa que va locura, morena y a mi lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado.
Mr. Shine, you are enjoying, brother. Absolutely. It's a pure village life.
Weather here, I'm so much enjoy. especially weather. This is this time you see the my I want to shoot here. Give special region, the weather, the tree, beautiful land. My colleagues and coming here, you know, for the whole time jumping.